Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Alexandru. Watch this clip carefully for at least 30-40 seconds, and you will definitely understand this clip. Enjoy! Once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Stay with me in the next few minutes, and you will definitely understand the quality of this clip and the interest it holds. In this clip I will talk, discuss, analyze and show you about what is the Cardano, ADA, cryptocurrency and how does it work. Okay, let's beat it. The Cardano project and the ADA cryptocurrency they created have been favorites among the crypto community since they first appeared in 2015. Cardano is taking an innovative academic peer review approach to developing its general-purpose blockchain and is unique in space. Cardano, ADA, is developed by Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, a technology company founded by Charles Hoskinson. Hoskinson comes from strong roots in the cryptocurrency sector, having been instrumental in the early development of Ethereum, ETH, and his Ethereum Foundation. What is Cardano, ADA? Cardano is a general-purpose proof-of-stake blockchain project, known as a third-generation blockchain. Cardano has begun to address the common scalability issues that plague most second-generation blockchains, such as Ethereum and its ever-increasing gas fees. Cardano's development is defined by a rigorous scientific philosophy, along with copious amounts of academic research and peer review. The Cardano project has developed an in-depth development path consisting of 5 main stages. Phase 1, Byron. The network is active with basic functionality, ADA transfer. Phase 2, Shelley. Steps are taken towards decentralization with community-driven nodes. Phase 3, Goguen. Smart contracts are activated on the network. Phase 4, Basho. Sidekins are introduced, improving scalability and interoperability. Phase 5, Voltaire. Governance and self-financing make ADA fully decentralized. Each phase in the Cardano roadmap enables an integral part of the final network, and upon its completion, the network will be fully decentralized, governed by ADA holders, and funded by a portion of its own small transaction fees. How does Cardano work? Cardano is what is considered a third-generation blockchain, essentially designed to solve the scaling issues typically associated with both Generation 1, Bitcoin, and Generation 2, Ethereum. Cardano, ADA, is proving to be a constant source of innovation. Where previous generation blockchains are prone to high transaction fees and low TPS, transactions per second, due to certain design limitations, Cardano is built from the ground up to provide a truly decentralized rate with low fee, high TPS proof-of-stake network solution. Cardano aims to improve the speed and overall capacity of its network in several ways. At the fore is ADA's own proof-of-stake consensus protocol, dubbed Ouroboros. Designed with efficiency in mind, Ouroboros greatly reduces the cost of network energy, especially compared to a proof-of-work (POW) mechanism, without sacrificing security. The upcoming Tier 2 solution for the Cardano project is known as Hydra, designed to allow theoretically infinite scalability. Hydra allows throughput to increase as each new node joins the network. Cardano also boasts another unique feature, the hard fork combinator. Essentially, this innovation allows the network to hard fork without any real disruption to the blockchain. This was put to the test with the recent Shelley phase update, and it worked perfectly. Who are the founders of Cardano? Cardano, ADA, was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of the Ethereum network. He is the CEO of IOHK, which develops the Cardano project. Hoskinson first got involved in cryptocurrencies in 2011 when he started mining and trading. His first professional step into the cryptocurrency world was later in 2013 when he developed an educational course on Bitcoin that was followed by more than 80,000 students. After helping with the early development of Ethereum and founding the Ethereum Foundation, Hoskinson left to pursue his own vision of a third-generation blockchain. After seeing the scaling bottlenecks that traditional blockchain will inevitably face, the Cardano project was formed in 2015 as a means to usher in a new era of blockchain. What makes Cardano unique? One thing that makes Cardano unique is that it is one of the largest blockchains that successfully uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. POS is a much less energy-consuming mechanism than the proof-of-work (POW) algorithm that Bitcoin is based on. Ethereum is in the process of upgrading to POS after witnessing the inherent benefits it brings with other projects. However, Ethereum's transition will take place over time and could encounter difficulties at any stage. Cardano already runs a full-fledged POS network. The developers Cardano have prided themselves on the fact that all technology they develop is subject to a rigorous peer-reviewed research process, meaning that every idea regarding the network can be challenged before it is committed. This level of academic rigor helps the Cardano blockchain in both its resilience and stability, ensuring that many possible future problems are identified before they ever become a real problem. What gives Cardano coin, ADA, value? ADA is the native token of the Cardano network, named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace. 57.6% of the total supply of ADA was distributed to investors in an initial coin offering, ICO, in which Cardano raised $62.2 million. The ADA token is both a digital currency and a way to transact on the Cardano network in the same way you need Ether, ETH, to transact on the Ethereum network. ADA holders also have a literal stake in the Cardano network. ADA tokens can be used in stake pools to earn stake rewards, and in the future the direction of the network will be entirely governed by ADA holders, using their stake to vote on development decisions. How many Cardano tokens, ADA, are in circulation? There will only be a maximum supply of 45 billion ADA. At the time of writing, the current circulating supply of Cardano, ADA, is approximately 31 billion. Between September 2015 and January 2017, IOHK hosted 5 separate rounds of public sales, allowing interested investors the chance to obtain ADA tokens and support early development. About 2.5 billion ADA was allocated to IOHK upon the launch of the network, while another 2.1 billion ADA was awarded to Emergo, an international blockchain development company, for their work on the early foundation of the Cardano protocol. In addition, 648 million ADA was awarded to the Cardano Foundation to promote the platform and drive adoption. When all was said and done, approximately 16% of ADA's circulating supply went to the project's founders, the remaining 84% being split between investors. How secure is the Cardano network? Cardano is secured by a custom proof of stake protocol called Ouroboros. Described as a mix of innovative technology and mathematically authenticated mechanisms, Ouroboros also has a dash of behavioral psychology and economic philosophy thrown in for good measure. Ouroboros' main goal is to achieve sustainable and ethical growth, with little or no impact on the environment. The Cardano project claimed that Ouroboros improves the security of proof of work, POW, consensus mechanisms while consuming much less energy, at a rate reported to be over 4 times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. To ensure the active participation of all nodes in the network, an incentive mechanism was built directly into Cardano's design. Network participants are regularly rewarded with ADA for their involvement. How to use Cardano? Cardano's native ADA token can be used as a value transfer, similar to how cash is currently used. While many cryptocurrencies boast this feature, ADA has other uses built into the design. A central feature of the Cardano project is its proof of stake, consensus protocol, where ADA is staked on the Cardano blockchain to verify transactions. Those who stake their ADA on the blockchain enjoy rewards for their participation, in the form of more ADA. This participation protocol ensures active participation and uptime while helping to maintain security throughout the blockchain. Another use ADA has in the Cardano network is voting and governance. Cardano, unlike other blockchain projects, has no miners to determine its future development. The duty rests with the ADA players. When a new change or improvement to the network's functionality is proposed, ADA holders use their tokens to vote on those proposals. This will eventually build to make Cardano a fully decentralized project, governed by those who invest in it. With the launch of Phase 3, Goguen, the ADA token will also be used to power the various smart contracts that will be enabled on the Cardano blockchain. Developers will use ADA to create and power these smart contracts and to decentralize applications, dApps. How to choose a Cardano wallet? Since Cardano, ADA, is a well-known cryptocurrency, it is supported by many wallets, both software and hardware varieties. There are more than enough for users to choose from, and each user will have to decide based on their specific needs. Cryptomat offers a secure storage solution, allowing you to both store and trade ADA tokens seamlessly. ADA storage with Cryptomat gives you enterprise-grade security and easy-to-use functionality. Buying and selling ADA tokens, or exchanging them for any other cryptocurrency, is done in just a few moments when you store on our platform. The finish line. Cardano is an innovative and unique project that aims to provide a new form of blockchain infrastructure, combining the benefits of many leading technological and mathematical concepts. This third-generation blockchain project has the potential to become a dominant platform in the smart contract sector, but it still has much of its development ahead of it. A truly ambitious project. Only time will tell what lasting effects Cardano will have on the crypto world and the world at large, but the future certainly looks bright. Frequently asked questions about Cardano. How do I buy Cardano, ADA? Buying Cardano, ADA, is as easy as visiting our How to Buy Cardano guide. How to sell Cardano, ADA? If you already own ADA and hold it on a Cryptomat exchange wallet, you can easily sell it by navigating the interface and choosing your desired payment option. Cardano price. The current Cardano price is €0.49874600. ADA trading volume in 24 hours is €351,782,252. ADA is currently ranked #9 among all cryptocurrencies by total market capitalization with a market cap of €17,532,285,316. It has a circulating supply of ADA 35,128,292,397. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope you understood something and liked it.